We can even add videos to the PowerPoint, which is pretty awesome. I came in the guide, Insert Video. Here I have some options to insert a video, either from my computer, a USB drive, or an online source. For instance, I can easily add any video from my computer here. Let's say this one. Insert, it will load.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
I can place it in this corner over here. Let me take it out here. Come here. Put it, and it will insert the video automatically. There is a stock video that we saw in the class, how to insert a specific video. I can also insert a video here. For instance, I can insert this video here. It will load the video. No changes needed. The translation is already contextual and modern. I can come here. We can insert the video here. I can also insert an online video. Here I can insert an online video from YouTube or any of your personal videos. I can come here and add. I actually made a video about logistics, for example. I will come here, insert. It will load here. Just an option to insert. I can add these three types of files: the video from my computer, the stock video from my